Hey guys, this is a smart toilet. It's got plenty of features that you will really like. Looking at the back, this is how it looks like. You can access everything from here. Here's the power supply right here. It has the water connections right there. Here are the contents that came in the box with the smart toilet.
You can use this to flush manually.
This is air temperature, water temperature, and the seat temperature right there.
The remote, it's pretty easy to operate. This is the water pressure, if you need to change that. Nozzle extension position. The temperatures for each of the features in there, the air, seat temperature, and water temperature. And we have a flush button. And this is the rear wash. And this is the feminine wash. The dryer is right here. And then the nozzle clean that extends the nozzle and you can actually clean it. Comes with this nice wall mount for the remote. There's also the hot and cold massage option right there. And the night light. You can turn the lights off and on. Also the manual flush button right there and adjustments. This toilet's got sensors and there's a sensor on the seat. Lets the toilet know that there's somebody on here. So all the functions will only work when somebody's using or seated on the toilet. When you're done, the toilet automatically flushes as soon as you get up. Here I use plastic film over the toilet bowl to demonstrate how the bidet feature works. The nozzle automatically slides out when remote button is pressed. Feminine wash and user's rear wash commands will perform the cleaning rinse. You may adjust the nozzle position and water pressure with the remote. I'm holding the hand over the sensor, which detects presence of a body to mimic as if someone is sitting on a toilet for these functions to work. This is also a great feature which will prevent the bidet from spraying if there isn't anyone on the toilet. This smart toilet has a built-in water heating feature. You only connect the standard cold water toilet supply to this unit, and the toilet warms everything up with the built-in equipment. There are three functional parts of the self-cleaning toilet, which are the nozzle cleaning, which I already showed you. Just press the nozzle clean button and the nozzle slides out and you can clean that. There's also a built-in UV lamp that will sterilize the nozzle. And the seat is built with antimicrobial coating and is designed to be wiped clean with ease. Installation of this toilet is not very complicated, and it is a great toilet to have.